Chief Minister Pu Lalduhoma. It is so lovely to see you, both of you in Washington, D.C., where many of your beloved friends from Chin and Mizoram live. We all want to welcome you warmly. I am Reverend Dr. Kam, the first General Secretary of Chim of the Churches USA. I'm currently chairman of DC Area Line Churches Fellowship. As a member of Burma Advocacy Group, I met with you in your office in Mizo in February this year. And thank you so much for your excellent care and love for every Chin refugees in Mizoram. I listened and watched your speech or statement. I know, I would say I know, and I agree with your political philosophy and vision of reuniting all the Mizo and the Chins as a state under one country. The Chin in Burma are struggling with religious political issues, one we have been under military dictatorship for 70 years. Once Burma was the richest country in Southeast Asia, but now Burma became the poorest country in the world. Since then, we the Chin, your brothers and sisters, live in very extreme poverty. We especially, our kids are malnutrition. We need to send them to school. It has been God's blessing that Mizoram, as one of our Chin residents in India, is a democratic state of India, and we came and work on the road or any kind of work in Mizoram to support our family. Really, I believe that God, Alpha and Omega, have a better plan for us through our political leaders since the leadership of our national hero and father, Pu Lalduhoma. Since 1948, February has been called Chin National Day. The exact date was chosen for Mizoram State Day in 1987. God gave this critical plan to our political leaders, including Chief Minister Pu Lalduhoma. By God's grace, all the Chins and Mizo live in one global village, in person and through media technology, closer than before, even during this current political turmoil. I also want to request that you work with Indian government on cross-border services to support thousands of internally displaced Chins inside Chinland. I hope the cross-border service will materialize someday, and we will have a border trade highway that will reach Sakine Strait and Magway Strait in Burma through post-given responsibility to the Chief Minister of Mizoram. Your fellow brother and sister will someday live in a free, democratic country and society with peace and justice. Our history will be written in a new chapter, stating that we are one in Jesus Christ and one in blood. One, we all live in a free, federal, democratic country. Finally, we, the members of DC Area Line Churches Fellowship, are very thankful to you and also request Chief Minister Pu Lalduhoma and the people of Mizoram that you care for our Chin refugees as your brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, and continue to carry this burden. Thank you so much. May God